Hey, welcome, Big Red's Money Pit Garage. Got a fleet update here for you. Working on a couple of my vehicles. We've tuned out the security on the pewter dually. We got the $600 truck up and running. My brother helped me with the uh, lifting the bed off. I'll show you some pictures here, kind of the work we've done, and maybe insert some video clips. But we got the bed off. We did the fuel pump. We've done the clutch master and slave, and she's running, or was. Still has no no turn signal. I'm sorry, no windshield wipers, but does have turn signals. Dash is still screwed up. The TBI and/or the distributor, because it's a TBI truck, is acting up and it's not running right again. So, and for the life of me, I can't get that windshield to keep the little knob on it, little button for the rearview mirror. So, we're gonna work on that in a little bit. Was fiddling with the clutch lever on my Road Glide back there for so I could start it while in gear with the clutch pressed. I just wasn't making contact on the new switch. I believe that the previous owner or someone before him put external controls where the wiring, or I'm sorry, internal where the wiring goes in through the pipe or the bars, but they were routed on the outside, and it just wasn't pushed in close enough to it. But if you notice, the Tahoe is moved. It is, in fact, running. Not complete. Still have a lot of work to do on it, but it is running. I'll show you that here. And then I'll include some clips of it as we were working on it, a little bit here and there, not enough to really film a video in between other work and stuff. So I'll insert that now. And then I'll come back to, or now I'm back and I'll do, let's see where it's at right now. And there it is on all 4 feet. So still have a problem with the dome light, not everything's complete. But let's see if she starts. Key in or not. Oh, and she's dead. Wonder why. Did I do something wrong? All right. She's got a battery problem of some kind. Let's take a look. She's got a brand new battery, so something drained her. So, step back here for you guys. New radiator, new AC condenser, new lines, new dryer, new battery. Did the GMT 800 upgrade on the brakes, new coolant reservoir. I'm going to replace this with another one. But that's where she's at now. Hopefully in a few weeks here I'll have all the front end parts done and this battery problem figured out and be driving her. So again, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Really means a lot to me that you do. So that's all I've got for this video, you guys. Once again, thanks. Catch you on the next one.